I'm using my KitchenAid vegetable peeler to peel 3 to 4 sweet potatoes. Empty your melted butter onto a baking sheet. Add a splash of lemon juice and you'll want to mix around really well. Next, you'll want to coat your sweet potato peels with butter. I'm just coating one side here because when I roll it around, it will end up coating the other side. Take your cinnamon and sugar mixture and add some to a second baking sheet. Then you'll want to take your sweet potato peels and make sure that you coat each side. And then as you lay your other sweet potato peels out, make sure you sprinkle some of the cinnamon sugar mixture on each one. Sort your sweet potato peels by size, and this will make it easier to assemble your tart. I'm leaving the crust like this because I think it looks pretty and rustic. Now we'll want to roll our sweet potato peels into a spiral. So as you're rolling up your sweet potato peels, you can add sugar as you go, sprinkle some on top. That's the cinnamon and sugar mixture. And then add in the smaller pieces of the sweet potato as you go and form a loose spiral. That way the sugar and cinnamon butter will fall through the crevices. Since the spiral is much bigger than our tart shell, what we're going to do is after we finish rolling this, we're going to cut the spiral in half, and then we'll take one half of that and put it into the tart crust, and then we'll use the other half and fill in around the outside. Now that we have our spiral in the pie crust, we're going to take some pieces and then twist them around and just fill them in around the outside of the pie. This will get a real pretty look and make it kind of look like a flower. Mix the butter with the brown sugar and the white sugar and cinnamon. Be sure to whisk it really good so it's nice and mixed. Then you're going to take 1 tablespoon of flour and a half a teaspoon of cornstarch. Whisk until it's all integrated. Then you're going to pour it over the sweet potato tart and be sure it gets into all the crevices. Sprinkle a little bit of white sugar on top and then add your chopped pecans. Protect the edges of your pie with some tin foil. Bake for 40 minutes at 350 using convection. The last 20 minutes, take the foil off, and then you have this beautiful pie.